The Z6 III is anticipated to be released in 2024. It is generating interest due to leaked specifications that suggest significant performance enhancements. Is the Nikon Z6 III worth the money? It might be the next big thing in cameras. Let's explore. A leaked image of what appears to be the prototype Nikon Z6 III camera surfaced. The image looks genuine to us. Small details like the black tape covering the name, logo having dust particles on it, and the unpainted focal plane mark near the thumb area suggest that this is a prototype camera and not the final production model. Based on this glimpse, it seems convincing that this is indeed the Z6 III camera. If true, an official announcement can be expected in the next couple of weeks, most likely before the third week of May 2024. Recently, Tamron announced the 28-75mm f2.8 G2 lens designed for the upcoming Nikon Z6 III camera. This is reminiscent of when Tamron unveiled the 28-75mm f2.8 G2 lens just before the launch of the Sony A7 IV camera with its 33-megapixel sensor. This has led to speculation that the Z6 III may also feature a higher resolution 33-megapixels full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, similar to the A7 IV, instead of the 24-megapixel sensor found in the previous Z6 models. However, according to past rumors, the Z6 III is expected to retain the same 24-megapixel sensor. But Tamron's new high-resolution lens makes the camera's sensor capabilities intriguing. The full-frame image sensor in the upcoming Nikon Z6 III is rumored to be an accelerated version of the 24-megapixels backside illuminated BSI sensor, likely the same one used in the Nikon ZF. While the resolution may not increase over the Z6 II's 24 megapixels, the Z6 II's sensor could have a faster readout speed, which would help reduce rolling shutter issues more effectively. A stacked sensor with the same 24 megapixels resolution would be an even better upgrade, but that may lead to a higher price. The Z6 III is also expected to feature the latest X-Speed 7 image processor found in Nikon's flagship Z8 and Z9 cameras. This could enable blistering fast continuous shooting at 40 fps with the electronic shutter, and up to 120 fps when shooting in DX APS-C crop mode. Additionally, the third-generation model may gain Auto Data Stream AF system with updated autofocus algorithms that outperform even the Z8, a major improvement, as the Z6 II's autofocus performance feels dated and limited compared to the newer ZF, Z8 and Z9 models. According to reports from Nikon Rumors, the upcoming Nikon Z6 III camera is expected to have a larger, bulkier body design, more similar in size to the Nikon Z8 camera. This could be seen as a downside, as the Z8 is quite a large and hefty camera compared to rival mirrorless models like the Sony A7 IV and Canon EOS R6 II, which compete with the current Z6 II. However, the Z6 III is rumored to offer significant improvements in video recording capabilities over its predecessor. It may be able to shoot 6K video at up to 60 frames per second, and 4K video at up to 120 fps, both in 12-bit and RAW format. Additionally, it could record 4K ProRes video at 10-bit color depth and up to 60 fps, with the ability to select shutter angle settings. The camera might also feature enhanced video stabilization and provide up to 7 stops of in-body image stabilization. If the leaked information proves accurate, the rumored Nikon Z6 III has the potential to be a game-changing, class-leading mid-range mirrorless camera when it arrives in 2024. It promises major speed, autofocus, and video upgrades over the Z6 II. However, Nikon must balance these cutting-edge capabilities while keeping the size compact and pricing reasonable to make the Z6 III a compelling all-around product for the mid-range consumer audience. It will be fascinating to see if Nikon can pull it off and return to the top of this competitive market segment.